what I'm going to be doing is starting my bathroom. So at the minute, this is a passage. So the plan is, we're going to take all that out, and then I'm going to build a stud wall there. I'm going to build a stud wall along there where Tiger is. The toilet's going to be going on that wall there. This door frame's going to be coming out. That'll be coming out. I don't know if I'm taking the top out yet. So although it's a bungalow, there's a support for the roof up there. Then the bathroom will be getting all knocked out. Completely back. Completely back. All that will be coming out. My temporary shower, what I put in. And then what's going to be happening, I'm going to have a bath all the way along there. I'm going to have a TV in the wall there. I'm going to have the sink on the wall there. I'm going to have a shower there. Then I'm going to have a big overhead shower in the centre of the bathroom. And then all this bathroom floors are going to be a wet room. So you'll shower just in this space. All this section here is going to be a wet room floor. Back panel is going to be tiled, so there'll be no access into there. So we'll make sure it's fit right. The shower head is just going to be here. So you stand in this bathroom here, just get showered. No glass, no nothing. Shower comes down, bish bash bosh, straight down through the wet room floor. Gonna be beautiful. Wait and see. And if we see here, there's a support there, so that means that support's on that brick wall. So that wall there, which I was bothered about, I'm gonna rip straight out. Because see them bricks there, they built it on the other wall, so that's the main supporting wall. But if that would have been on that wall, would have been holding them beams up, wouldn't have been no good. But now, as you can see, that's going to be coming out. And this is the size of my loft, which will be getting extended. Look how high that baby is. That's why I bought this house. Started cleaning it out already. All the old installation. Gonna be the girls' bedrooms. Right, we're gonna go through what I'm gonna be doing. So, the plan has changed dramatically. First, I thought this was a supporting wall. I've been up. The pillars that support the roof are on that wall. When I were up there, I thought they were originally on this wall, but they're not there. So that is good. You know why that is good, don't you? Because I don't need to keep this wall no more. This wall is going to go abracadabra, poof, and disappear. So now I'm not keeping it. I've had a total redesign of my bathroom, and I'm going to change it completely. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm still going to have a wall here, but I'm going to put the door more to this side, where before the door will go in there. Now I'm going to put it round about, I'm going to bring it about 400 in there, so a sink can fit on that wall. And then the toilet can go here. I'm debating whether to get some glass to make it a glass door which slides, but I don't know if I can get it. So I'm going to make the opening, and then I'm going to check it out. If I can't get the glass door that slides, I fit a normal door. So I don't worry about these things. What happens, happens. So I'm going to take that wall out. So that wall, vision that wall gone now. So the toilet will be here, where I'm stood now. The sink's going to be there. The doorway is going to be there. You're going to walk into it. You can go to the toilet. You can get out, wash your hands, Don't have to go into the bathroom. I'm going to have a nice unit above it and a nice unit above it here. Then I'm going to have a nice piece of glass. I haven't decided whether I'm going to have a mirrored glass yet or if I'm just going to get a piece of glass frosted. I'm going to play it by ear. When I get the space open, if I'm going to have a mirrored glass, what I'm going to do is I'll go down a Leeds glass. I'll measure the size of the glass what I want. And I'll go down a Leeds glass and I'll order a 10mm piece of glass with a gloss mirror on back of it. And then that glass there, it'll be a full mirror. Just to protect the toilet. The only reason I'm doing it is just to protect the toilet from the splashes from the shower. Then you walk into this section here. That'll all be open. You walk in there. And then as soon as you walk in there, I'm going to have this. This is the shower head which is going to be going up. It's a beast. I've had it for 2 years in lockup. 2 years. I knew I was going to use it. So just picture that in the centre of that bathroom in there, because in there, all there's going to be in there, there's going to be a TV on the wall, double-ended bath at the bottom, and then this is going to be the centre of that room. I'm dropping the ceiling to about there. So when I stand under it, I'm 6'4", and it's still about 2 foot. These are really, really high ceilings. So it'll just be hanging down like that, but obviously up there, and it's going to be beautiful. It's going to be like a work of art. Now, see this shower head, because it's so big, and you fit it in, so I'm going to fit this on a combi. Now, don't expect that you're going to get a jet out of it. This is a rainfall shower, so it's going to be like a rainfall. Plenty of water falling from there to the floor. But when it's over my head, it'll cover every part of my body. And that's what I want. And then what I'll do is, on the separate wall there, I'll have a rail with a shower head fairly close to the bath. So if you want to wash bath out, you can wash bath out with it. But if the girls want a powerful shower, they can use that. Or if they want to get in shower and not wash their hair, they can use that. So, because trying to get in shower and not wash your hair with this, you're going to struggle. So there's always two options. The other option I'm going to have as well, I think, I'm going to have the bath on the shower valve. So when I go in there, there's only one control for everything. And it's going to be right there, next to the bath. So you'll turn that valve on, shower will go on, or you turn that valve on, bath will fill up. Bath panel's going to be tiled in, so I'm never going to get to it. So all what's going to be underneath the bath is the waste. I'm going to stick the waste in, so that's never going to have a problem. If I do have a problem in the future, I'll keep a tile, and then I'll just smash a tile out in the centre of the bath, and I've got a replacement tile. I won't be putting an hatch in because I don't like them. And I think if you're going to put an hatch in, you put a bath panel in, because there's no point putting an hatch in a tiled bath panel. What's the point? Just put a panel on. Do you know what I mean? So, fully tiled. I have faith in the quality of my work, and I have faith that it's not going to be a problem. If there is ever a problem, I will keep one tile, just in case. So that is a plan. So I'm going to build the wall today. We'll knock it up. Bish bash bosh. And then I'm going to get the lads in. My nephew. Take the wall down with Lee. Because obviously I can't be bending my fingers, can I? You know what I mean? So it's going to look good. Couple of week. Going to have a new bathroom. Nice swanky one. Don't know about having the glass ready, because I ain't decided what glass I'm having yet. So it's a bit, because it's my house and I want it how I want it, I'm not bothered. I can do the basics and then we can fit everything to what I want, how I want it. So I might have to wait for the glass, or I might decide after I spoke to our lass, she might want a clear glass. So if she wants a clear glass, that's easy. I just fit a clear glass. But I think the mirror glass will look better. And when you walk in, it'll reflect everything. It'll be lovely. So, wait and see.